This poem is called A Fool for Love. You want this love, don't you? This kind of love will activate your being, transforming you into the person you were born to become. You have to become a fool for love. It will hug you. It will make you cry, fill you with laughter, strip you of all the baggage, point you to the North Star, magnetize youth to yourself, draw your soul tribe closer. It will fly you up into spirit, reveal the magic in you. This kind of love is available to you, but first, you have to be a fool for love in order to be full of love. Reading from my book, Dancing with Words. Talk to you soon. Bye.